Welcome. In front of me is an iPad Pro, and today I'll show you how to check basic information and the status of the device using the IMEI number. So to get the IMEI number, we can either, if you're trying to purchase the device from someone, you might want to ask them. But if it's your device, you can always tap on the settings, and from here go into general and then about, and you'll have it a little bit below IMEI right here, and it's this series of digits. So it's 355 82 008 0024 104. So I already have it put in, and it's on the second tab, as you can see right here. And let's see, where is it? I think it will be somewhere in warranty, and let's see, let it load. So going back to the main page, as you can see, once you put it in, you'll basically see all of this. And here we get basic info like the iPad Pro, what model it is, Apple, IMEI. It's kind of cut out here. I only have the beginning. This is still loading. And from here we get also basic info. So device, tablet, classic, release. Let's see what else. The display, basically like a general information about the device itself. You can also check it if it aligns, if you're trying to purchase it from someone, with whatever they're saying it is, because you get info like, let's say, the storage of the device, which is 64 gigs, which also corresponds with whatever it's here, as you can see. Yeah, the iOS. So yeah, from here, when you tap on the free checks, you can check the warranty and basic info, and as you can see, it already loaded. So get the IMEI, which is the device's IMEI. From here get also serial number, which is not entirely shown, model, then refurbished, no, activated, yes. Activated means basically the first activation when it was from the moment it was purchased. Then you have purchase date, which is blank here. Then valid purchase date, yes. Coverage end date, which is basically the Apple's basically warranty. And as you can see, it has expired here. Coverage days left 0 because it has expired. Technical support expired, which is also the coverage date. You have a couple other info, storage again, then color, and it does correspond with the device right here. As you can see, it's gold, so it is the same device. Let's close this. Close this, and then you have something like blacklist check. You can click on here, and basically the blacklist would be if the device is stolen and reported as stolen, people can blacklist it, and you'll be able to see it here. So if the IMEI number that you've been provided is listed as blacklisted, well, then I would not purchase a device like that, because it's basically stolen. And if they want, they can basically, they know who has the device in a way. So let's wait for it to actually load. Now mind you, it might refresh a couple times, so keep that in mind. But in the process, we can go back here. You can also check serial number. Then you have page checks like carrier. It's more associated with an iPhone than a tablet. But you can check a carrier and lock status. Lock status meaning the SIM lock, if it has one or not. Then you have phone blacklist, check Pro. SIM lock status. You can also unlock this device. Find my device iCloud status, which you can also check here. iPhone carrier unlock, basically also another paid thing. You can basically pay to remove the SIM lock from it, so we can use other carriers. And then you have a couple other features like hard reset, and not sure what these are. You can also buy this phone, or well, in this case a tablet, and it will take you to like a Amazon page where you can purchase it. So yeah, let's see if this loaded. Still not. Let's try again, actually refreshing it, maybe that will help. I had it open previously, but for some reason it logged me out of it. So hopefully it could open up soon. Really want to show this. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, wait. What is this? For some reason doesn't want to open, but previously I had it open. So basically when you go in here, you will get info if the device is blacklisted, and it will be just a yes or no kind of thing. And yeah, that's basically it. But it's one of the more important, I guess, aspects when you're trying to purchase a device that is, for instance, used. So really pay attention to that. For some reason I can't really access it at the moment. I might have just basically surpassed the amount of free checks, because there is I think like 20 free checks or 10 that you can do, and if you want to do anything more, you would actually have to say pay for it, but that's basically per day, so the next day I could check it again, so don't be scared about that. But yeah, that's basically all that you can find here, and all the most useful information if you're trying to, let's say, purchase a device, once again, used from someone, then you really would want to check most of those things. But yeah, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.